Hello there! Today we are running Jellyfin media streaming server on Kubernetes. Okay, let's go!
Here we have deployment file. We are checking the pods. We are running the file with deployment and service. Deployment, it's actually description how application works. This is the first part. And service part, it's how to access to the application. So yeah, network parts. So actually, which ports will be used, target port, node ports. So that's it. And right now we are checking the application. We see that all ports are running. We open the browser. We put the address, yeah, some short configuration. We have to put Jellyfin. It's actually Jellyfin part specific. It's not connected anyway with Kubernetes. So we have to put password. Yeah, double check. Next, and yeah, we can add some files to our library, and we see that here should be in the list some media file, a media folder that links actually to our host folder where we have some media file. And yeah, we have to add the folder, and yeah, we see media file, and we have some movies here. And yeah, so we see that the connection between the container and host files, and it's working. Yeah, some Jellyfin features. I think it's actually this this tutorial. It's not about the Jellyfin. It's more about how to run the Jellyfin container on Kubernetes. Yeah, so some remote access, yeah, but it's not necessary to set up this. Yeah, actually, sorry, I have some Polish locals. For next movie, I will change this, but yeah. Okay, login. Yeah. And yeah, Jellyfin, it's working. So the whole application, it's actually running in containers on Kubernetes. We see that the pods it's running, and we are able to use this media server. Yeah. So that's it. Okay, so now just for test we can delete the pod, the deployment and the service. So we see that there is no pods in our namespace. So yeah, refresh the Jellyfin page and we see that the service is not running. And we create the whole deployment, and we'll check if the configuration, the whole configuration and the movie stay. And yeah, we see that everything it's on place. It's because the config file, it's permanent on the host file system, so we can recreate the deployment, we can delete pods, we can restart the server, we can do with container whatever we want, and the whole configuration and all data will stay in place. Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye.